Hi, this is David and Kelly, and welcome to our home. So Kelly, are you ready?
I am ready.
All right, great. Well, it's that time again. It's time for the big question. And this week we have people asking us, what happens at an inspection?
That's a great question. I think a lot of buyers and sellers are probably interested in what happens at an inspection. And today we have a special guest. This is Issac Smith. He's with Home Done Right, and he is an inspector. So we're going to push that question to you.
Yeah, so at an inspection, we take about an hour per 1,000 square feet, and we're just kind of slowly walking around the house, making sure that things are installed properly and that they're safe to be in the house. So, like for your water heater, for example, obviously we want hot water throughout the whole house, but we want to make sure it's installed properly and ultimately that it's safe to be inside your house. So those are the things that we're looking for, whether it be your foundation, your roof, the HVAC equipment, the electrical, the kitchen appliances, your pool, or whatever it is. We're just slowly walking in the house at about an hour per 1,000 square feet again, just making sure that everything's working like it should.
Great, that's a lot of great
Good information. Thank you, Issac.
Thank you.
Yeah. Well, if you have a topic for our video series, please leave us a message down below. We would love to hear your feedback. Thank you for joining us today, and stay tuned for the next big question.